Do you need to use dictation while Type to Siri is enabled? I can show you how. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place.
If you find this video helpful, subscribe.
I'm going to show you how to use dictation even though Type to Siri is turned on. First, we need to turn on Type to Siri. Open Settings, tap General, tap Accessibility, scroll down until you find Siri. Tap Siri. On this screen you will see Type to Siri. It will be off by default. Turn the switch on. Exit the Settings app and long press the Home button. The on-screen keyboard will appear. Type a question into the message box. For example, what time is it? When you're done typing, tap Done. Your answer will appear on the screen. You will get voice feedback, although you can't hear it in this video. Long press the Home button and activate Siri again. To activate dictation while Type to Siri is on, tap the microphone on the on-screen keyboard. Speak your query or question. Hit the keyboard in the center of this screen and then tap Done. Your answer will appear. You will get voice feedback, although you can't hear it in this video. Let's take a look at one last example. You can ask Siri anything you like, such as when is the next Flames game? Tap the microphone on the on-screen keyboard, speak the query, in this case, when is the next Flames game, then hit the keyboard in the center of the screen and tap Done. You can see that the next Flames game is on Saturday versus the Kings. You will get voice feedback, but you can't hear it in this video. Let's turn Type to Siri off. Open the settings, tap General, tap Accessibility, scroll down to find Siri. Tap Siri. Type to Siri will be on. Slide the switch to the left to turn it off. You can now use Siri normally. Long press the Home button to activate Siri and speak normally.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Please feel free to check out some of my other videos suggested on screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.